following is a diagram of a wave. A wave is an oscillation accompanied by a transfer of energy that travels through a medium. The crest is the highest point in the cycle. A trough is the lowest point in the cycle. Amplitude is the maximum displacement from the equilibrium line. A node is the minimum amplitude. It doesn't move. An antinode is the maximum amplitude. The wavelength is the distance between corresponding points on two waves. The following is an explanation of harmonics. The first harmonic consists of 1/2 of a wavelength. The second harmonic consists of one wavelength. And the third harmonic consists of 1.5 wavelengths. By subtracting any two consecutive harmonics, you can get the fundamental frequency, otherwise known as the first harmonic. The equation for any harmonic is length equals n, being the number harmonic, over 2 times wavelength. The following is an explanation of superposition, also known as wave interference. Superposition occurs when two or more waves are traveling through the same medium at the same time. When the waves pass through each other without being disturbed, the net displacement of the medium at any point is the sum of the individual wave displacements. When waves are traveling on a fixed end, they will be inverted. However, when waves are traveling with a loose end, they will stay the same as they go in the opposite direction. Constructive interference occurs when two waves with both positive or negative amplitudes create a superposition with an amplitude greater than each of the individual waves. Destructive interference occurs when two waves pass through each other and cancel each other out. The result of constructive interference is a bigger wave, while the result of destructive interference is no wave at all. The following is an explanation of wave phases. Two waves are in phase when they move in unison with each other and have the same amplitude and wavelength. They will also have the same placement of antinodes. Two waves are out of phase when they do not move in unison with each other, even though they may have the same amplitude and wavelength. They will have different placement of antinodes. Now we will explain basic frequency. This is the amount of wave cycles that occur in 1 second. Pitch and frequency are inversely proportional as evident through this diagram. When the frequency is lower, the pitch will be higher. When the frequency is higher, the pitch will be lower. As explained before, frequency is the amount of wave cycles that occur in 1 second. The formula to calculate this is frequency equals 1 over the period. The following are the formulas behind everything we've shown you so far. The formula for tension is frequency equals the value of the square root of period over mass divided by length, all over 2 times the length. The formula for wavelength is wavelength equals velocity over frequency. So the formula for frequency is just a rearrangement of this formula. This is another way to calculate frequency from the one we've showed you previously. Velocity is frequency times wavelength, which again is another rearrangement of this equation. There are many applications for waves in our daily lives. There are electromagnetic waves and sound waves. Some electromagnetic waves include solar panels, X-rays, microwaves, radio waves, and remote TV. Some sound waves include verbal communication, sonar, and sonograms. Thanks for watching!